In this video, I'm going to show you about setting up premium membership tiers. Now, ReplicAItor Coach is actually fully integrated with a software called Paid Memberships Pro. And the reason for doing this is it seemed to make more sense to utilize a software out there that was already fully functional for creating membership tiers rather than reinventing it inside of the ReplicAItor Coach. So on the back end of the website, when you are logged in as an administrator, you will see under the memberships dashboard that you can click on a link called View Membership Levels. When you do this, it brings up your current membership levels that you have created. You can add a new level or you can edit the existing levels. So you'll notice on the demo site that I currently have a standard, premium, and trial. So the trial gives you 1 week free. The standard is $47 a month and the premium is $47 a month. Let's create a new level, and we're going to charge a monthly subscription for it. You can see that there's several other options that you have, but we'll just click on monthly and we'll call this our VIP level. The VIP level, we can put a description in there. You get everything in the standard and premium levels plus one-on-one coaching, whatever your particular VIP level might include. As you can see, you can add media into it and so forth. The confirmation message, typically what I would do is both in the confirmation message and the account message, you can type in whatever you want, but I think that it is a really good idea to include how they can actually get to utilizing the ReplicAItor Coach once they have logged in. So I'm just going to copy the URL of the site and say something to that effect. View your ReplicAItor Coach at, and we'll make sure that that is in fact a link. And we would put the same information in to the account page. Now, like I said, you can add in other information into these pages as well. How much are we going to charge for a VIP membership? Let's charge $197 a month, whatever you want to charge. So you actually set up the levels and you set up how much you're going to be charging your customers. There are some other settings that you can put in here as well, but then we'll just hit save level. So we now have the standard, premium, and VIP levels in here. There's a bunch of other features within the Paid Memberships Pro software, including your payments. Since this is a demo site, I don't actually have payments set up, but you can see that we are going to allow them to pay by Stripe as an example and change it to live production when we're ready. You save those settings. You would need to have the settings for those set up so that you can actually connect with Stripe to do this. The simplest way is to log into your Stripe account in a different tab, then hit connect with Stripe, and it will automatically connect with Stripe and do everything that you need it to do, including taking your monthly payments for you. So that's how we set up the membership levels. In the next video, we are going to show you how you can gate different features in ReplicAItor based upon the membership levels that you have created in Paid Memberships Pro.